Hey there, Dr. Gergus, your professor for Bio 156, speaking to you. Obviously, you're in Canvas. You're watching this video as part of the course orientation, but I made this video to just kind of highlight and show you some of the main areas that you need to be knowledgeable of and use in Canvas, our learning platform for all of our classes in the Maricopa District. So some things I want to highlight for you. This is the home page. So if you were to click on home up at the top left of this screen, it would bring you to this page. And you can see that the title of the course is listed on the top, although this is from a couple semesters ago, but our current semester and course number would be there. I have the syllabus hyperlinked here, so you can click on that word here and it'll open up our syllabus. Keep in mind, the syllabus is basically our contract. It's telling you all the details about the course, what's expected, our schedule, grading policies, attendance policies, all that kind of stuff. You should be familiar with the syllabus, and in fact, I have a syllabus quiz that you need to take in the first week of class. If you scroll down on this page, this is just a screenshot of the page, but if you scroll down on the page, you will see a little bit more information, like how to contact me, what my office hours are for this semester, and down below a little bit more information about Canvas, how it's used for the course, etc. So that's the first page here. You can also see off to the side the main menu, so announcements, assignments, all these kinds of things. I've muted a number of these, so you won't see them in your Canvas, but I see them in mine. Okay, well, moving on to the next slide that I have here. I'll move myself down here. Modules. And you can see modules down here on the menu, modules. This is where I place everything for the course. I put links to quizzes. You have quizzes to take based on reading the textbook to prepare you for a chapter. You have quizzes to take at the textbook's website called McGraw-Hill Connect, some review quizzes to help you get ready for exams. I have recorded lectures that you need to utilize, basically outlining all the material that you need to know and understand for the chapter. And so that's in modules. Modules is where you're going to be spending most of your time on Canvas. So the very first module you need to deal with is this Getting Started module that you will see at the top of your modules page. And of course, I think you're right in here, maybe welcome to the course. But I have a video in here, Meet Your Instructor, talks about me, course expectations, and then a couple of introductory assignments. One in which you're going to be introducing yourself to the class and a discussion thread, posting a photo of from your cell phone camera roll, and telling us something meaningful about that photo. And I give you an example from my camera roll in that part of the module. And then here's the syllabus quiz that I mentioned just a few minutes ago. Then we work chapter by chapter in different modules down the page, and also lab material. So again, in summary, modules are where you're going to be spending most of your time, because this is where most of the course materials are placed. Okay. The other place that you're going to find yourself wanting to look is in grades. And if we went back to the previous page, you'd see on the side menu, you click on grades, and these are not the students from this semester, but obviously for this semester, your name would be somewhere in here. And all of the quizzes, all of the assignments, all of the exams are here on this part of Canvas in grades. So I have everything there for the whole semester. And you can scroll through and see, but as we move along and I grade things, or things are automatically graded, you'll see them pop up here in the grade section. So that's also an area of Canvas that you'll be using and be familiar with. Announcements. So this is my main way of communicating with you, with the whole class throughout the semester, in terms of updates, telling you that something is due, telling you how you need to prepare for the next lecture or the next lab. I generally send out an announcement at least once a week. Of course, I see you in lecture and I see you in lab, and so we can make contact there. But make sure you check your announcements daily so you don't miss anything from me. Okay, well, we're going to wrap this up here. One other thing I wanted to show you was down here on the menu on to the left, student resources. And there's a lot of student resources available to you. A couple here that might be particularly helpful to you. Technology help, if you need any help with computers, computer resources, Canvas, anything, technology help is your place to go. Counseling services. The counseling department offers some classes, but we also have counselors down there that are there for you to talk to. If you need help, you need assistance, you need someone to just plain talk to, I strongly encourage you to use counseling services if you need someone to talk to and you need some advice. Supplemental food program. We do have that for students and basic needs. I want that page to come back. And finally, for my screenshot here, tutoring. Okay, so some of you might want to tap into tutoring with this class or other classes. Disability resources and services. If you need any accommodations, you need to go through them. Okay. Testing services, that's what we use for makeup exams. If you miss a quiz, you miss an exam, and I allow you to retake it, you'll be doing it through them, etc. So hopefully this little video just has given you a little bit of a layout of Canvas, those parts that I think are the most important for you to be utilizing and be familiar with to really get your feet on the ground as we move forward in Bio 156.